The Goods Received Note (GRN) is a bilateral document confirming the delivery of goods from a supplier and their receipt by the customer. When a customer places a purchase order, the supplier is responsible for fulfilling it according to the contract terms. Upon delivery, the customer provides 3 copies of the delivery note to the department requesting the supplies, keeps one for the finance department, and gives one to the supplier. All 3 parties verify the delivery details before granting authorization. The Goods Received Note serves as confirmation that the order has been successfully delivered, received, and meets the satisfaction of all involved parties. In Bizzilo, a Goods Received Note (GRN) can be created from various transactions, including purchase orders (POs) generated when goods or services are ordered from a supplier. External stock transfers, used to transfer goods between different locations or warehouses within the same organization. Purchase returns, generated when goods are returned to a supplier due to issues such as defects or overstock. Sales returns, generated when items are sent back to a store or seller, typically due to defects or a change of mind by the buyer. Replenishment orders, used to restock inventory levels based on predefined thresholds or reorder points. To initiate a Goods Received Note (GRN), go to Purchase, then choose GRN. Click the Add icon in the top right corner. GRN creation in Bizzilo varies based on the GRN type. For purchase order GRNs, select the relevant purchase order (PO) by searching and selecting it. Note: GRNs can only be created against approved purchase orders. Details like store or warehouse, vendor, contact, shipped address, and received by are auto-updated based on the selected PO. For purchase return GRNs, choose the purchase return (PR) by searching and selecting it. Select the store or warehouse from the list and proceed to receive the goods. For sales returned GRNs, search and select the sales return (SR). Choose the warehouse or store from the list and proceed to receive the goods. The following steps are common for all types of GRN. Complete details like AWB or transport reference number, transport date, delivery note, delivery note date, supplier invoice number, and supplier invoice date. The product line is pre-filled based on the PO. Edit the DC quantity, delivery challenge quantity, if necessary. The received quantity is also pre-filled but can be edited by the user. It should not exceed the PO quantity already received against the same line item of the same purchase order. After entering details for all items, click Receive Goods. Proceed to Quality Check, QC. Mention the accepted and rejected quantities during QC. Accepted quantity plus rejected quantity should equal the received quantity. And click QC Done. By default, Bizzilo moves goods to the selected warehouse based on default storage settings. However, users can edit storage settings by clicking the Edit icon in the product line. For serial-controlled products, enter each serial number along with accepted or rejected flags. And storage details. Quantity is always 1. For batch-controlled products, input batch numbers, accepted or rejected quantities against each batch, and storage combinations. For serial and batch-controlled products, input batch numbers and serial number, along with accepted or rejected flags and storage details. For regular products, directly enter storage details and quantities. Use shortcuts to specify quantities per bin and pre-fill the table for faster data entry. Click Move Goods to confirm goods received and moved to the designated warehouse, completing the GRN process. By default, status gets updated to moved when GRN is successfully created. The GRN created could be viewed by clicking on the GRN number in the GRN table. Hovering between GRN, purchase order, and purchase bills is a special feature of Bizzilo. In View GRN page, the right side panel displays the link for purchase order and purchase bills against the selected GRN. Likewise, in View PO page, when user selects a PO, all the GRNs created and purchase bills generated against the particular PO is displayed. User can select the link to view each. Moving back to View GRN page, the user can update payment details by clicking the payment icon. This navigates us to the pop-up. Here user needs to enter payment mode, and select the option from the list, then amount and transaction ID and save, and after that the status of GRN would be updated as paid. Purchase bills can also be viewed by selecting Payables, then click Purchase Bill. The list of bills appears in this module. User can click the desired purchase bill number to view the same. The user can approve or reject the purchase bills using the tick or reject icon in top right of purchase bills, and download or save purchase bills using download icon.